Oh, ZMTM here, and today I got a package in the mail, and the name is different from the username on the internet, but it's a Slave Flash. It was $11.95 Canadian with free shipping, and it came pretty fast. It was like a week, and then it came. So I'm gonna open it up. And that's all in the package, nothing else. And here it is. By Neewer. And it works with all digital and SLR cameras. It's a digital Slave Flash. It features auto pre-flash sensor for eye, hot shoe bracket included, ultra slim design and lightweight, ideal for travel, to be used with 2 AA batteries, and for digital and SLR cameras. So I got some instructions to put on, made in China. I hate these plastic. So annoying. So come out. That's just a piece of plastic and this piece of paper. And here is the more instructions, descriptions, and that's pretty much it. A little bit of a intro, kind of. So you can just put it on the camera, hot shot, like this, or put this on the and screw it tight, and the other side goes onto the bottom of the camera. So pretty straightforward how to put on. It's just a little bit tight to put it on, probably because it's still new. So this is the light. This is the sensor. It's a battery cover, 2 AA batteries I'll put in right now and test it right away. It goes like this, I believe. On the back, there's a test button and the model number. There is the S1, S2, S3, S4 slave modes, which stands for how many flashes before this flashes. And then the modes: power off, normal, so when it's using the slave, the hot shoe on the camera, or slave when it's like this and the camera is attached. And then there will be a light if it's ready. On this side there's nothing. Back to the front. Top there's nothing. It's just, there are both the screw if there's a tripod, and that's pretty much it. I'll turn it on. Normal. Ready. Light slowly turns on. There's slave. So that was pretty much it. Bought this because I don't want to buy a few $100 flash. I want to buy a cheap one. I'll do a test. After it turns on and ready. There. It's supposed to be on normal. In order for that, and the ready light. Slowly turns on again. That's pretty much it for this flash.